Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I pray that all of you are doing very well. आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं राजमा मसाला. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑलरेडी मेंशन्ड है, सो कीप एवरीथिंग रेडी एंड चलो शुरू करते हैं. To take a pressure pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil becomes hot, add 2 each of cardamom and cloves. Also add 1 piece of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of jeera. Saute for a few seconds and then add 1 tablespoon garlic paste and half a tablespoon of ginger paste. अच्छे से saute करिए till the raw smell goes. So definitely it will stick to the bottom of the pan. Stick a little. So add a few drops of water if necessary. And then add 2 onions finely sliced. अच्छे से saute करिए till almost golden brown. Once the onions are done, add 2 tomatoes finely chopped. Saute till the tomatoes become soft and the oil leaves the sides. Now it's time to add the powders. Add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder and half a teaspoon of fennel powder, sofka powder. Add a few drops of water while sauteing. अच्छे से saute करिए. Let the masala get coated along with the powders. Now add 1 cup of rajma soaked overnight. Wash nicely, drain it and then add it to the masala and saute for around 2 minutes. Also add 1 potato. I've taken 1 potato. I've cut it into 4. Then add 2 cups of boiling water. Cover and pressure cook for 2 whistles. Once the pressure is done, let the pressure release on its own. When it cools down, open and garnish with coriander leaves. This goes very well with naans, parathas, जीरा राइस, कोई भी बघारे खाने के साथ या फिर हैदराबादी खिचड़ी के साथ, रोटी के साथ भी चल जाता है. So do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.